Welcome to day 5 of our Carnival Panorama Mexican Riviera cruise. Today is a port day in Mazatlan. We are now in Mazatlan, but we're walking towards the trolley because we're taking the trolley to our excursion downtown. It's still not hot right now, but it will be very hot later. And we're walking right next to our Carnival Panorama. I'm not videoing you, man. Raymond Lachenko. What is the green for? It's extra. Oh, it's probably for bags, huh? We are now on our shuttle to get to our excursion. Yay! We are now in the Mazatlan, what is this? Cruise Terminal Building. And there's our tour, Mazatlan Van Tours. We are inside the cruise ship terminal building in Mazatlan. Of course, there's lots of shops here. I wonder what we can buy. Anything looks interesting? No? 3 rocks are called the sisters. My hand starts talking. There's a lot of bumps on the road. There's an island over. Ooh, look, there's an island over there. Something about a golden sun. Ever so slightly. Oh yes, that would be great. There is our beloved Carnival Panorama. Yes.
Let me stop up here, okay?
Okay. We are on our first stop to take some pictures. This is La Marea, whatever that means. Oops. My sea legs. There are the 3 sisters. Nice view. There is the Carnival Panorama. Huh? I'm gonna do a panoramic, the 360. But I think this one's a cargo ship. And there's our Robin Padilla. And our superstar, Miss Flor. La Marea. Here's the Mazatlan sign. We're gonna take pictures of our friend. Go take pictures. Go. Here's some kind of canyon here. Everything is in Spanish. I might be able to understand, but I'm not gonna try. And there's my well-coordinated sister. Pink. Picture. There's 3 islands over there. That's very expensive houses over there.
Biggest Mexican movie star. He was a good singer. You know, the guy was Pedro Infante.
This is the deer. What is it? Mazatlan means land of the deer. This is the mermaid. We are here at the place where we have the rock divers. Someone is doing it now. They are going to try and ask for contributions. There it is. It's gonna be a while. Let's go. Come on, dive. We've made our donation. It's time to dive. It looks like he's gonna land on the rocks. Huh? How do you end up with so much like forward momentum.
Because of the information.
The what? Manny, do you want to volunteer to be the diver? Huh? I'll be the collector.
It's in between.
What is between? Those two rocks? Ah, we will see. Come on, I already have 1 minute of video and he's still... Go, go, go. Here it comes. Here it comes. Woo! That was pretty good. Woo, 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 woo. We are still here in Mazatlan and we're going to this church, the Church of the Immaculate Conception. And there is Robin Padilla. We are here right in front of the church. I thought I was recording the whole time. There is the church. The Church of the Immaculate Conception. We're now entering the church. I think this is the biggest church here in Mazatlan.
The statues, they have like a spikes on the top.
There's a couple
I see. Okay.
we have some sculpture over here. We are now inside the church.
And the other one represents Joseph, his fathers of Jesus.
There's more. That's the main altar down there. There's our friend Robin praying. There's the main altar. It's pretty nice and cool here. Very good ventilation probably. The Church of the Immaculate Conception. Move closer to the altar. There's Jesus, and I guess the Immaculate Mother Mary down there. We have some nice architecture and decorations. Just like the church in where was that? Puerto Vallarta. They don't really have kind of like garden area. Everything is concrete. There's a sculpture up there. This is the view from the front of the church. Lots of little stores here where you can buy. I'm thinking of the coconut though. Huh? There's right next to the beach. I just wanted to capture the very modern looking. Right there, and I can see it.
Ready for another house?
Yeah, it's England.
Okay.
Having our lunch at the La Costa Marinara. I wonder what kind of food they serve. We'll see. Hopefully it's good. I guess the restaurant is right next to the beach. There's an MZT, Mazatlan. La Costa Marinara. Oh, our lunch is right on the beach. Is that a... Very nice. That is so nice. We are at the, what's the name of this restaurant? I forgot already. But it's right next to the beach, down there. And we're like under shade. And what is it called? Marina something? Anyway, look at my Pepsi, my Coke. Coke in a bottle. And we have a mariachi band playing while we're having our lunch. There is our mariachi band. Let's go for a walk along the beach. There's an island out there. I think this is the first of the 3 islands that we saw earlier. It's a little wavy, but the water's shallow. It's a little too hot though. Let's go closer to the water. Oh look, there's a parachute. Okay. Oh, coconuts. Oh, I think we're going back to the van now. We're going back to our ship, our shuttle now, our van.
Lo compra por bultos, por tonelada.
I guess this is the place, the restaurant that we went to, La Costa Marinera. And they have a hotel, I think, attached to it, and the restaurants are back here, right on the beach. Look at all the coconut trees. We are now on our way back to the ship. Do you want to look for something? Not really? What?
Just kidding.
What do you mean, just kidding? You want to look for something? Yes or no? We're going back. Very festive here, and you can buy margaritas and all sorts of drinks. What's going on, my friend? Hello? What's going on?
We're going back to the ship.
We are going back to the ship on this shuttle. We are back in our room from our shore excursion in Mazatlan, and we find another animal town. This time, my best guess is hippopotamus.
Moving on to number 4.
In the Ocean Plaza
going to be
for
it.
the one-hit wonders. Trivia. On deck 11? Yeah, on deck 11, just looking at the view of Mazatlan. The downtown area is of course down there where those buildings are. And here's the view from the other side of the plane. This side of Mazatlan. See, there's a lot more tall buildings here. That must be the downtown area. Our first course, Robin Padilla is having a, what is it? Cream of broccoli soup?
Cream of broccoli.
Cream of broccoli soup, and I'm having pancetta something, and I thought it would be some kind of noodles that look like pancit, but it's not. It's pretty good though. I ordered 2 appetizers and 1 soup, no entree because I'm not hungry. Halfway through our meal, I had a Hawaiian poke, beef spring rolls, and he's having, what is that? Fish, just fish.
Some sauce, some kind of sauce.
Fish with some kind of sauce. That's very descriptive. Dessert time. What are you having? What is that?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. What? Something.
Cappuccino pot de la crème.
Pot de la crème. And I am just having a cheese plate. That doesn't look like cheese. Is that crackers? We are in the theater liquid lounge. Okay, waiting for the production show tonight, which is called Broadway something. Broadway. What is it exactly?
Let's call it the highlights.
Highlights? Broadway something. Okay, it's Broadway Beats is the title of that. Oh, there's the guy who teaches the dance classes.
It's not that I don't like the city here, I'm just not sure it's for me. I'll call you later.
Holiday? Oh, of course, that's it. We are at the Ocean Plaza. It's the 80s dance party with the band, live band, where the male singer is a Filipino guy. They're singing 80s music.